everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have seen a lot of videos roaming around about especially about zodiac sign and makeup according to zodiac sign. So I was curious and I just went on Pinterest. I remember Pinterest and just typed makeup according to zodiac sign. So today I have eye makeup, I have lips, I have eyebrows and I have my hair. I made my hair in this, I like it. So I will be doing all that today. I don't see an outfit because right now we can't get anything in India, especially we are not able to even get non-essential services from Amazon or any other site. So it's not feasible. But whatever that is feasible for me right now, I am doing. So hope you like it. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world for me. So yeah, if you wanna see how I look in all of my Virgo sign and I do my makeup, my hair and how do I look, then let's get started. One more thing, my sign is Virgo. I am Virgo. Basically my birth date is 11 September, so it's technically in Virgo. So I would be taking care on makeup according to the Virgo. I would be inserting a little bit of pictures here about different aspects of whatever that is, hair, makeup at that time. So yeah, if you wanna see again, let's get started. There would be a picture of this hair. I guess I would edit it. There will be a picture of it here, and after that, you can see the eyebrow. We're gonna get started. The picture here. This is you can see that Virgo part. It is a little bit of oranges and kind of in outer corner it is brown and just with the wing on it. It is very simple. So let's zoom you in and let's get to doing our eye makeup. Yeah, let's get. my eyes are completely done with a little bit of orange and brown on the outer corner and a wing eye as you saw it in the picture. So wing, I don't like wing on myself, I don't know, it just makes my eye look a little bit smaller. And I used a cream concealer, actually it was NY Bay concealer in orange corrector. So I used it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good for especially for eyeshadow. So I would be doing whole of my makeup, my concealer and foundation. You have seen it like 1,000 times. So I would be back after completing my whole makeup. Then we are going to do our dips, and I would be coming with my hair done because there would be next tutorial soon after this video. There will be next video uploading with different types of hairdo for short hair because I have hairs down there, down at that part, so not my neck to be I don't know where my head is right now. So yeah, there will be tutorial coming, but I would make sure that I make you see that how my hair has been done. So we will be back after completing my whole face.
My cheeks are sharp cut and blush. So now we are going to talk about our lips. So I think I'm gonna make a little bit closer to my lips. I hope
You don't mind my lips, they are not so good. So just removing the lip balm because I can't live without lip balm. Actually, I don't have the actual lipstick with that because it is kind of like I've shown you right there. It is kind of like a little bit brownish shade. I don't have that accurate one, but I would try to mimic it actually. So I'm using two shades. It's Blue Heaven lipsticks, and this is not as dark as I want to. This is the shade number 12, so it's a little bit brownish shade, so I'm gonna apply it. Get away and just clean it out a little bit, and as I cleaned it a white eyeliner in my inner line because I like that tall kind of. It was not in the makeup, but I guess I would cheat a little bit. So yeah, I would be doing my hair and I would be right back with the outro. So guys, this is the final look according to my zodiac sign. I just did everything. I just made my hair. I don't know is it perfect or not because it was braided in a bun, as you can see it. So yeah, this was my hair and my makeup done according to my zodiac sign. I really like that look, guys, as you can see. My wings are not saying they are sisters. So yeah, I like my lip. I really like this look because I have used a little bit like cream eyeshadow. I never used it. This is the first time I used it. I liked it. It do creases a lot in your eyes. So yeah, I wouldn't prefer it in my daily use because I don't use eyeshadow in my daily routine. But whenever I use it, it does creases a lot, and my eyeliner is above my eye. So yeah, I really don't like that because I have hooded eye and it tends to crease. It's just the universal law that it's going to crease. So yeah, finally, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And if you really like it, if you really want to support it, you can follow me on TikTok and my Instagram, and I have a Facebook page also. You can like it there also. I do share my videos there too. So if you just want to enjoy my face and enjoy me, and that came out wrong, I mean enjoy my videos. So yeah, that's all. I would be rambling. I hope you like my video. I hope I'm doing actually my best to just make sure that there are different contents in this channel because I'm new to it. I don't know what to do precisely. I don't have enough things to do because nothing has been delivered today or maybe next 2-3 months. So I would trying to do everything to make you just escape the tension around here. I hope you all are being safe and settled at your home, and you all are happy and just enjoy Netflix, Prime and everything, and just be safe, be secure, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.